up.
Okay, so I'm not going to play the ad. Can you?
आज वुमेन्स डे है एंड वुमेन लव यू
And I love women.
वुमेन्स इक्वालिटी और वुमेन्स राइट्स पर आपकी राय क्या है?
स्त्री को पुरुष के बराबर नहीं होना चाहिए, आगे होना चाहिए सब में, एजुकेशन, मेडिसिन, पॉलिटिक्स।
फिल्मों में क्यों नहीं? टाइटल्स में क्यों हमेशा हीरो का नाम हीरोइन के नाम के आगे होता है?
चाकोरे 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 चाकोरे।
रोल कैमरा प्लीज।
हाय शाहरुख।
Hi.
आज वुमेन्स डे है एंड वुमेन लव यू
And I love women.
वुमेन्स इक्वालिटी और वुमेन्स राइट्स पर आपकी राय क्या है?
स्त्री को पुरुष के बराबर।
चाकोरे 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 चाकोरे।
Tata Global Beverages, and thank you all of you for making it here. I'm sorry if some of you are from Mumbai and have to travel all this way, but I'm stuck here. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm stuck here for some more days, so to say. So I'll try and keep less work, which involves you, so that you don't have to come down. I'll be back in Mumbai. But thank you very much. I just want to say a few things. Apart from the fact that one has seen the Tata Tea ads over the last few years, and they've been extremely effective in terms of, maybe they don't bring about a change, etc., but they do make a point, a pertinent point, a relevant point, and most of the time a point which is current and in the minds of everyone, whether you're young, whether you're middle-aged, whether you're old, but thoughts that cross your mind, whether the last one was about voting and leadership. And so I like those ads. Very few people would remember. I remember the first ad that I did in Mumbai, actually, when I became an actor, was for Tata Tea, which Mr. Prahlad Kakkar had directed. So I have a long old association with Tata Tea. And when Balki, who's directed the ad, and Mr. Ravi Chandran, the cinematographer, they called me and they said, the idea is to talk about what is very relevant today, about women's rights and the equality of women, and all the processes and thoughts that have been going into, all the incidents that have happened in the last few months, and how we are reacting to it. I have always felt, honestly, there have been times, I don't remember exactly which films, but there have been times when I have insisted personally that the lady's name should be before me, because they happen to be not in age, but in terms of experience, my senior actors like Madhuri and Juhi. Some of the films we did that also. So when this thought came across as a social service message in a commercial world that we live in, to me it's extremely attractive. And I jumped at the idea. I remember Bharti just called me and said, Shahrukh, aisa kuch karoge? So I said, abhi aa jao, and hum abhi kar lenge. And actually wo abhi aa gaye, aur humne abhi kar liya. So it took us I think less than 24 hours to get this done. I was shooting here, I was shooting nights, so I said, you come by 3 o'clock and I'd quickly finish this ad. But all thoughts of the product aside, which is wonderful, of course, and I have a close bond with it, association, 20 years old. The director, the producer aside, I think we have to remain in our own area of expertise and try to do or say things which bring about very small changes, perhaps. So I'm an actor, and we are called upon to comment on everything. But I think this is extremely relevant for someone like me who's in the area of filmmaking and talking about women's rights and equality and stating something like that, why is it that in India or everywhere, the hero's name comes first? At worst or best, it should be alphabetically maybe for the protagonist, or it should be in order of appearance, as it is done a lot of places. But why should it just be that, an actor's name or the hero's name comes before the heroine's? Whatever the level of seniority or expertise an actress has. And similarly in award functions, the biggest, the grandest, the loudest is the Best Actor Award. Why not the Best Actress Award? I'm not saying this is going to bring about a change in terms of that everybody will start thinking like this, but I think it's a point to be made, that you make a point like this and say, yeah, it's not that it's going to make us equal. I personally believe women are anyway superior. It's a come down for them if they try to be equal to men. But I think a point needs to be made that this kind of distinction should not be in the mindset of youngsters, elder people, everyone around. It's just an accepted norm that we should do it. And if it can be done differently, if this thought process starts more than just naming a film or the titles of a film with the girl's name or the award function to end with the best actress, I think just the thought process of how people believe, think collectively, millions of them right now, I think that's the kind of change that can happen with a small little exercise like this. And so at the end of the evening, thank you for traveling for 4 hours, 5.5 hours, and being here. And thank you Tadati, thank you Bhagi, thank you Ravi for giving me this opportunity really. I do a lot of ads, I do a lot of endorsements, I'm extremely busy with that and I enjoy them. But sometimes a movie comes along like a Chak De or a Swades, and sometimes ads come along like the Tadati ad, which make you feel a little more fulfilled with the kind of job that I do. And so thank you everyone, and thank you all.
Thanks. Thank you. The floor is open for question and answers.
आपकी जिंदगी में भी बेटी हो, बहन हो, माँ हो या फिर पत्नी, तो कौन सी ऐसी शुरुआत जस्ट फिल्मों में नाम के अलावा कौन सी ऐसी शुरुआत आप चाहते हैं कि और
See, I think बहुत अच्छा मौका है 100 साल फिल्मों के, और वुमेंस डे करीब है 8 तारीख को शायद, राइट? 8 को वुमेंस डे है 8th, yeah. So I think it's extremely nice कि हम कुछ ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन, जैसा मैंने कहा, जो फील्ड मेरा है उसमें मैं कुछ कर सकूं. मैं ये काफ़ी यकीन से कह सकता हूँ, मैंने तकरीबन 70 फिल्में की हैं, और मुझे ये बहुत यकीन है कि तकरीबन हर फिल्म में जो औरत का या वुमन का ओहदा है वो बहुत खूबसूरती से दर्शाया गया है. कहीं पर भी ऐसा नहीं लगा है मुझे कि कुछ छुपन है या घटियापन है. हाँ, 2-4 जगहों पे मजाक में या थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे ज़रूर हुआ हो, लेकिन ओवरऑल मैं बहुत कॉन्शियस हूँ इस बात का कि जो भी मैं फिल्म करता हूँ उसमें हीरोइन का एज अ कैरेक्टर दर्जा जो हो बहुत अच्छी तरह से हो, चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो, पॉजिटिव हो, व्हाटएवर द केस में भी. सो आगे भी मैं यही एंड आगे भी मेरा यही, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है अपने स्फीयर ऑफ वर्क या जो हमारी निजी ज़िंदगी या निजी काम है उसके अंदर अगर हम अपनी ऐसी छोटी शुरुआतें करते रहें वो बेहतर है. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई विल ट्राई एंड मेंटेन the certain amount of dignity that I feel very proud I have done always in the films, whether it's a man or a woman. And in my personal life, of course, I've never made any bones about the fact that to me the most important people in the world are the women in my life, starting from my mom to the actresses that I work with. And मैं ये बहुत प्यार, warmth और बहुत ज़्यादा दिल से कहता हूँ इस बात को. I really owe a lot to that, and I think all of us do. But somewhere along the line we just kind of divert from that fact and भूल जाते हैं और थोड़ी बहुत उल्टी सीधी बातें कह देते हैं, कर देते हैं. So yeah, I'll continue to do that. I think sorry, but I'm good with women and I'll continue to be good with women.
Can I just add to what Shahrukh just said? I think it's very important at this moment, like he has made a statement saying this is what he would do. It is what each one of us are going to say, okay, if Shahrukh can do this, what am I going to do differently starting today, starting tomorrow? And if 1 billion people in this country make those pledges, it will be a fantastically different environment.
अभी आपने कहा कि आपने किसी भी मूवी जो पहले आपकी हीरोइन का नाम आएगा तो एक क्लैरिटी चाहिए इसको कि क्या किसी भी प्रोडक्शन हाउस में या किसी भी डायरेक्टर का हो और किसी भी तरीके से बनाया गया हो तो उसमें क्या आप अप्रोच करेंगे अपनी ओर से कि हमेशा ही नाम था?
Mostly जिन लोगों के साथ मैं काम करता हूँ मैं उनकी बहुत इज़्ज़त करता हूँ, वो भी मेरे कहने की बहुत इज़्ज़त करते हैं. सो आई विल 100% पुट दिस रिक्वेस्ट. जो मेरी अपनी प्रोडक्शंस है रेड चिलीज, उसमें किसी को कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो आई थिंक इट विल स्टार्ट विद चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस starring Deepika Padukone, and rightly so it should be. Rightly so it should be. And दूसरों से मैं यही गुजारिश करूँगा कि प्लीज़ आप भी कर सकें तो करें. Unless a film is like बादशाह तो थोड़ा सा अजीब हो सकता है कि शाहरुख खान इन एज weird sound करेगा, but mostly I'll request them. And if not in terms of titling, क्योंकि ये बड़ी बात भी है और नॉर्मल बात भी है, alphabetically डाल दें. Do it in order of appearance, but I will request everyone. I will request इंशाल्लाह जो नेक्स्ट फिल्म भी कर रहा हूँ वो भी हमारी प्रोडक्शन है, तो उन दोनों में कोई तकलीफ नहीं होगी. आगे मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता रहूँगा. एक जितने भी लोग हैं इस बात को समझेंगे, और ये कोई ऐसी कोई हिला देने वाली बात नहीं है कि, बट इट्स जस्ट अ वे टू मेक अ पॉइंट. इट्स नॉट कि ये करने से इक्वालिटी आ जाएगी औरतों के लिए, बट इट्स जस्ट टू मेक अ पॉइंट दैट लेट्स चेंज. एक छोटा सा चेंज है जिससे एक बड़ी बात कही जा सकती है. कभी कभी हम एक बहुत छोटी सोच से बहुत बड़ी बात कह सकते हैं. एंड इफ पीपल एक्सेप्ट इट एज अ नॉर्म, इट विल स्टिल बी नॉर्मल. फिल्म वही होगी, टाइटल्स वही होंगे, अच्छी बुरी वही होगी जो कहानी होगी. बट येस, आई विल मोस्ट सर्टेनली रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन, एंड आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर फ्रेंड्स दैट आई वर्क विद, एंड दे विल लिसन टू दैट रिक्वेस्ट. I now refrain from talking about my personal life, so I would not be able to tell you. But it's been a great life. I've been married for 21 years. I have beautiful children, and like any normal family, she keeps it all together. So it's absolutely wonderful. But उससे ज़्यादा मैं कहता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा कभी-कभी लगता है मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में ज़्यादा बात करता हूँ तो फिर उसके बारे में ज़्यादा मरोड़ तरोड़ के लोग बात करते हैं, तो दुख होता है मुझको, क्योंकि वो मेरी फैमिली है, वो मेरे अपने हैं. So I don't like to comment too much on that, but yeah, she's nice.
Also, Shahrukh, I'm really happy firstly that you actually acted like you say, like this would really respect women. We really don't get to hear such things that you spoke about women. Really happy to know that. Also, Shahrukh, my question is that अभी आप फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, उसके बीच में you got to know about this project and you had to shoot for it. तो दीपिका का क्या रिएक्शन था, क्योंकि आपने एक्सप्रेस सही आइडिया शुरू करेंगे this title thing. So what was her reaction? Was she really happy to know about this?
She must be, because she woke up early and stood and watched the whole shooting. तो उसे खुशी हुई होगी. See, I think जो लड़कियां हमारी फिल्मों में काम करती हैं, जो भी as directors, as actresses, I think they're very confident and very well treated and great achievers and very hard working. कभी उन्होंने ऐसा कहा नहीं है, और अगर उनको ये ओहदा नहीं दिया जाए कि उनका टाइटल पहले है, आई थिंक उनका बड़प्पन इसी बात में है कि वो कभी ऐसा बोलती नहीं कि मेरा टाइटल पहले होना चाहिए क्योंकि मेरा रोल बेटर है, या मैं इतनी साल से काम कर रही हूँ. मैंने कभी बहुत मतलब पीपल लाइक माधुरी और श्रीदेवी और जूही, कभी उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं कहा. आई वाज अ न्यू कमर व्हेन आई डिड राजू बन गया जेंटलमैन, लेकिन जूही ने कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा. सो आई थिंक उनका बड़प्पन है, और औरतों में ऐसा बड़प्पन होता है. सो शी इज़ नॉट, दीपिका इज नॉट जंपिंग थ्रू द रूफ, बट शी सेज या इट्स अ गुड थॉट टू हैव, इट विल बी नाइस. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको लगता है कि उसकी फिल्म के अंदर कुछ बढ़ोतरी होगी इससे या कमी होगी. शी इज़ जस्ट गोइंग टू कम लाइक ऑल वुमेन डू in this world, whether they are mothers or sisters or wives or friends or whichever relationship they have, like you, कि हम अपनी मेहनत करते रहेंगे और वो करते रहेंगे जो हमें करना है, हमें उसका नाम मिले ना मिले. The fact is that we have to do what we have to do. So just like that, I guess she's also the concept wise she's very happy, and I hope मेरा ये सोच है कि और भी लोग ऐसा करें. So बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, लोग हैं जो आई थिंक genuinely deserve करते हैं, and that should happen.
With the title of the campaign being Jagar, US has really shown an awakening towards the brutal incident that we saw in India last year. Nirbhaya, or the Braveheart as we call her, the US First Lady Michelle Obama has decided to honor her with the Bravery Award. So, what do you have to say about that?
I mean, I don't know what to comment on it really, but you know, it's I think more than the recognition of you know, it's just to keep exactly like this campaign. It's just to keep the thought alive of the fact that you know this kind of incident should not be repeated. And here was a lady who, under duress and all kind of difficult situations that she faced, she fought with bravery and gave her life in that attempt. And we should respect her, love her, remember her. So I guess the honor is in that accord. Having said that, I hope we don't have to do very many honors like this in our country or anywhere else in the world. We don't need to lose lives of women or children or men to create honors in their names. So this is wonderful, and everyone will appreciate it, I understand. She being a woman herself, you know, it's something she must be feeling for, and she's done it, must be also in her country. But besides that, I just hope we don't have to give honors like this. I think we should give honors more for just the achievements, and I think we should be honoring people more for the fact that here is a society where women can move around without the fear of being treated in any negative way, where women can walk with their heads held high for the achievements that they do in every field, whether it's media, entertainment, engineering, education, politics. And that's the whole, those are the honors that should be named more often than the ones where we have to honor someone posthumously for being brave, at least in this given situation.
महिलाओं के लिए सबसे सुरक्षित शहर आप शहर या प्रांत कौन सा मानते हैं?
मुझे इसका एग्जैक्ट ज्ञान नहीं कि कौन सा शहर होगा, लेकिन मैं ये कह सकता हूँ जिस शहर में मैं हूँ वो सेफ ही होगा औरतों के लिए. बट आई रियली डोंट नो. आई थिंक स्टडीज आर डन लाइक दिस, एंड मैं ये सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा मीडिया से भी कि ये बहुत सारी ऐसी स्टडीज़ होती हैं और हम किसी प्रांत को, किसी स्टेट को, किसी एरिया को या सिटी को डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं. आई थिंक अच्छा है कि हम उसको सामने लाते हैं, लेकिन वो सामने लाने के बाद आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल ऑल्सो फाइंड सोल्यूशंस टू दैट प्रॉब्लम एंड द रीजंस फॉर दैट प्रॉब्लम. से जिस प्रांत में भी, जगह में, लोकेशन में ऐसा कुछ होता होगा, उसका कुछ रीज़न होगा, एंड उस रीज़न को अगर हम ढूंढ सकें तो आई थिंक इट विल बी सेफ नॉट जस्ट फॉर women but for children and everyone. That's how our society should be. Why should we be allowing ourselves to lose lives or face humiliation of the order that is faced sometimes by women, or fear that children have to live with in a country so large, so beautiful, with all the cultures and religions, and all of us being basically peaceful. So अगर हम उस larger context में देखें, so for me to say वो city अच्छी है, X city अच्छी है, I would not like to try to demean the status of any place. I think all places are good. There's some people in every place who perhaps don't think correctly, and we have to check those people, not the places. I think that's more important. उनको भी माइक दे दो यार. जिसके पास माइक है वो बोल रहा है, तो हाँ, ओके, आफ्टर दिस.
I would just add to it. There are less women directors in Bollywood, so will you be probably working towards that? This is the right initiative, but also considering you have web series, you are the head of it. Is there any thought to making a women-centric films and giving more opportunities to female directors?
Yeah, I would not make any centric film just for the reason of making it, but 100% I will make films which I feel are filmic, which are watchable by a lot of people. And if there happens to be a subject, I can say this, that I will never make a demarcation and say, "Arey, ye women centric hai, to hum produce nahi karenge." If it's a story that should be told, whether it's a woman's story, whether it's a man's story, whether it's a child's story, whether it's a story about an ensemble cast, I would 100% produce it. I mean, it goes without saying. I mean, to me, this question does not even sound like why should it be a question also? हमारी प्रोडक्शन में हमने अशोका भी बनाई है, और एक्चुअली हमने जो भी 10 फिल्में बनाई हैं, मे बी एक्सेप्ट रावण या उसमें भी, वी हैव बीन वेरी वेरी क्लियर, चाहे वो चलते चलते थी या इन अ फन वे मैं हूं ना थी, और इन इवन अ very attractive, romantic way, Om Shanti Om. I think we have kept the role of women very important. हमारी प्रोडक्शन में तो हमेशा तकलीफ होती है कि हीरोइन कोई होगी, बिकॉज हमारा रोल इतना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. So I will 100% do that. Whenever I get the chance, exactly like I will only make the film as an actor or as a producer, which I like to do. If it happens to be about a woman, a kid, or about an incident, real, unreal, autobiographical, whatever, I would do it. So there is no question about me not thinking like that. But having said that, about women director, yes, for me, it's such a lover of women. I would love to have more women directors directing me. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है यार, वो मेल डायरेक्टर्स, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ज़्यादा ध्यान जो है हीरोइन को अच्छा दिखाने में टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, बेटर लाइट में शूट करते हैं. आई थिंक दे हैव अ मोर टेंडर स्पॉट फॉर वुमेन, एंड कि हमारी हीरोइन ऐसी लगनी चाहिए, गाने में स्पेशली है. So I really want to have more women directors. If we had more women directors, I would only work with women directors and women heroines and women producers.
क्या आप मानते हैं सोच बदलने से देश बदल जाएगा?
शुरुआत वहीं से होती है, सोच से ही होती है. आई थिंक एन आइडिया इज बिगर देन एनीथिंग एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. हमारी जो आई थिंक जो चेंजेस या बदलाव या जो भी ऐसी बात हुई है दुनिया में, देश में, छोटे प्रांत में, कहीं पर भी, आई थिंक वो सोच से ही शुरू होती है. अगर हम कोई भी ग्रेट रेवोल्यूशन की बात सोचें किसी चीज़ में भी, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग इन अ ह्यूज वे, तो वो बात अगर हम ढूंढने जाएं तो कहीं ना कहीं एक किसी कस्बे, किसी कोने में, कहीं पर किसी की सोच थी, जिससे द जर्म always starts with the idea, and that's why this is a germ, the germ of the idea. That's how it starts, and then it gets into a movement or gets into a change, whether it's in the technological field, whether it is in personal life, whether it is in films, whether it's in media. एक सोच से शुरुआत ज़रूर होती है. और अगर हमारी सोच इस बारे में क्लियर है कि कहीं ना कहीं पर इस ऐड का बनाने का मकसद ये है, I'll be very honest, कि yes, I think हम कितना भी झुटला लें इस बात को, बट कहीं ना कहीं हमारी सोसाइटी और दुनिया भर की सोसाइटी में शायद औरतों को वो मुकाम नहीं मिलता, या वो ओहदा नहीं मिलता, या वो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती जो मिलनी चाहिए. एक टाइटल चेंज करने से शायद बदलाव नहीं आएगा, बट द थॉट विल पुट दिस इन योर हेड कि अरे हाँ यार, एक्चुअली है सोचने की बात यार. सो लेट मी बी नाइसर टू my wife who goes out for work or looks after the house. Let me be thinking about my daughter, that when she grows up, how she is going to lead her life, and should she get the benefits rightfully which belong to her and not decided by her gender. So ये बातें जो हैं हमारे दिमाग में सबके चलेंगी. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो जवान पीढ़ी है उनकी सोच और भी if not volatile, ज़्यादा एक्टिव है, तो उनको ये बातें जब दिमाग में आएंगी वो ऐसा ही सोचते हैं. और आई थिंक उनको ये बात समझ में आएगी, इक्वालिटी विल finally happen. I mean, we're talking about suffrage, voting rights years ago. जब हुए थे तो तब लोग सोचते थे औरतें वोट कैसे करेंगी in America and all. It's a big thing. But now that it's happened, it's a normal thing. We accept it. And inshallah, हर चीज़ के अंदर ये मुकाम जो है ये एक नॉर्मल से ले आएगा. Plus the atrocities against women that we hear about, that were mentioned, will also lessen with this equality, I think.
Just add to it. एक मिनट, जो आपने पूछा है, एक तो शुरुआत बिल्कुल सोच से होती है, जैसे शाहरुख ने कहा, बट सोच combined with small steps of action raise the spark, and what we are trying to do is combine the सोच with the spark of action. छोटी छोटी शुरुआत से करें, that is what will make a cascading effect.
You have worked with a lot of actresses, you know, and younger one too. So is there anyone who has been inspiring or maybe you have learned something from them?
Don't say that. There's never been an older actress than me that I've worked with. All of them have been younger than me. Some have been more young, wrong English, but more younger than the others, but they've all been younger than me. They called me and told me to say that, all of them. And what did you ask me?
Anyone who has inspired
All of them. Oh, they are outstandingly inspirational. I've always said this in every interview, in every film. मैं मजाक से नहीं कहता हूँ, सिर्फ patronizingly नहीं कहता हूँ इस बात को. But they work harder, they look better, they make the film stick together, and I think, honestly, sometimes, at least not in my workspace, but some of the times they do not get the due credit that they belong. I mean, that they deserve. I truly believe that women are the backbone at least in my field of work. And I'm inspired by all of them. Younger than me and a little less younger than me also, all of them. I'm extremely inspired by them. And agar aap kabhi bhi unse mile, all the heroines that I worked from, Anushka is the newest lot, I assume, and Madhuri and Sridevi actually, to have started, Hemaji, because she directed me also. But if you ask them all, this is the one thing they will tell you, that yes, we are very clear that Shah Rukh has always maintained that this film and the work, whether it's directorial, whether it's Farah Khan as a writer, director, or Saroj Khan as a choreographer, or Vaibhavi, all of them. There's so many of them in the department now. Abhi hamari film jo edit ki hai, Namrata ne ki hai. There's so many of them. So all of them have really, really inspired me. Every time I see an actress work, and I don't even call them actress actually, I call them actors. I think it's, I've never called them, bolne ke liye aisa bolta hu, but I call them actors. I think every time I work with each of my co-actor, I have been extremely inspired by some aspect or the other.
Shah Rukh as a daughter has inspired you, and we also heard you saying that I hope she becomes a good actress one day.
My daughter, I hope she becomes. I have this, because I'd like to put my money where my mouth is. And I really think actresses are the backbone of the film industry. And I hope, I've worked very hard in this industry for 20 years. A lot of people mistake me or my films to be, some of the mainstays of commercial cinema in the last few years. But I would like my daughter to change all that. I would like her to be a part of film industry, because I really believe, I'd be very proud if my daughter's an actress. I'd be very, very proud for every aspect, whether it's a song, whether it's a dance, whether it's the cover shoots of fashion magazines, whether it's the interviews, whether it's whatever, even some of the gossip that you guys would write. I'd be very proud of every aspect of what my daughter does, inshallah, if she becomes an actress, and I hope she becomes an actress.
Do you see a trait in that, or it is in her already, because she is growing up right now? So any of the traits you see in her of an actress?
मेरे पास तो बड़े बड़े माइक्रोफोन एक्टिंग करने लग जाते हैं यार, कुछ ना कुछ तो पढ़ाई होगा बच्चों के अंदर.
We'll have this one last question. Just one last question.
And I will tell you that on a public platform.
One question.
No, it's not that big a scandal as yet. No, I write. I used to write and say things to all of you because I feel them. Some of your questions, notwithstanding, which are pointed and directed at things that I don't appreciate, but I still used to answer them with fun and happiness. Lately, I think I've started feeling that some of it gets into areas of disturbances which I don't like. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ट्विटर पे कुछ लिखता था तो वो मुझे लगता था मेरी थॉट है, but then I see किसी और के आर्टिकल के अंदर मेरा वो कोट लिख देते हैं जिसका उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. And I miss people on Twitter. I miss the interactions. I hate the idiots who write shit. और उनका मुझे अगर नाम पता मिल जाए तो मैं उनको ढूंढ के MCA ले जाऊँ. But having said that, I feel bad. I'm very emotional. I'm a very sensitive person. I may not come across as that. And I found that my sharing of my personal thoughts get misused, misread, misunderstood. और फिर बहुत शर्मिंदगी की बात है कि मैं एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आऊँ एक अवार्ड फंक्शन के, और मैं उससे पहले अपनी लाइक एंड अपॉलॉजी पढ़ के दुनिया को सुनाऊँ for an article that I write. So I don't like it. And let me tell you, with all my love, I love you all, and have dinner and stay with me and we can dance a little after this press conference. But you've got to be a little more thoughtful. You've got to be a little more thoughtful. Everything is not a joke. Everything is not just spice. Everything is not what your editor and editorials want. There is life beyond that. So, you can hurt some. I understand there is all PR management and a lot of it is, planted and people talk and it's a joke. but it reached my stage of life, I find some of them things not very funny. And then if I try to say something funny, it's taken as wrong too. So it's a losing battle. So till such time I feel happy writing and expressing my thoughts again on platforms, I'm not distancing myself. How can I distance myself from the job that I do? I've always maintained you and I do the same stuff. Only your films have more spice than my films have. But you know, I can't distance myself from you. I love you, and I'll always love what I do, hopefully. But जहाँ मैं अवॉइड कर सकता हूँ, ऐसी जगहों पे जहाँ पे कुछ अजीब से लोग कुछ अजीब बात लिख देते हैं और मेरा को है कौन तू? मुझे अपना घर का पता तो बता, टेलीफोन नंबर तो बता दे, कहाँ से लिख रहा है तू? So I'm refraining. I don't feel like writing. मैं लिखता था जब मेरा दिल करता था. अब बहुत दिनों से मेरा दिल नहीं किया है. But having said that, it's very nice to come and talk to you after a long time. It's really nice. I feel happy chatting with you all.
Very thanks to sorry. I'm very sorry to have.
Okay, बहुत दूर से आए हैं तो हम यार 4-5 घंटा. Thank you. अगर पहले बताना होता तो ट्विटर पे लिखता ना यार. तो जब होगा भी हम पोस्टर निकाल देंगे, उसका बता देंगे. कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम जल्दी से खत्म हो जाए इंशाल्लाह. अगर टाइम पे खत्म होगी तो जल्दी रिलीज कर देंगे. I will announce it. I think हमारे पास थोड़ा VFX और डायरेक्टर का, you have to. I wish this was that platform. This is Tata D platform. But I'll answer for you because you travel a lot. So sorry sir. But डायरेक्टर वगैरह हो सब तो उनकी समझ गए. They are the big people in terms of ownership of film. But we'll announce, I think, in 8-10 days. We're waiting for UTV to come down, Ronnie and all, and we'll decide in a few days and announce it.
Just one thing, Shahrukh, recently I met an actor at a press conference and उनके मुताबिक इंडिया में awards fair नहीं होते, वो सिर्फ उनको मिलते हैं जो नाचते हैं और गाते हैं. So do you take it as an offense? John Abraham ने कहा था. So do you think it's like a dig at all those actors who actually perform in whole entertainment when they come on?
Are you seriously asking me this? After my big lecture to you about really, come and dance with me after this press conference. Come on, don't. I have no issues as yet with John, so don't start them, please. I love John. Whatever he says is completely right. After saying that, yeah, I would. The more the merrier. People who would like to direct me, I would love to. उसने मुझे बोला, हमारी बहुत conversation हुई है इस बारे में, and उसने मुझे फिल्म भी बताई है जिसमें मुझे वो direct करना चाहता है. Yeah, we've had a big discussion with John, and very sweetly he said, कि मैं जब director बनूंगा तो I would like to direct a film with you. And he's told me also the film that he wants to make. It's all in his head, and he's very clear about it. So it'd be really wonderful. I think he's a fantastic person, and I've gotten to know him lately. While we were trying to get him to do Happy New Year, and if he has a good film and a good script, and if I can fit into it, why not? Thank you. Thank you everyone. Have a good night. Thank you.
We can move for a few photo opportunities.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Sorry to having called you here, but I thought it was a little better than doing it outside.
Very thanks to all our guests.
I think it's very nice.
The dinner is ready and will be served next to the reception in the restaurant. So those who are present for dinner will be served. Very thanks for being here.
वो स्काइप के ऊपर ना वो बात नहीं होती है. यहाँ से ना वो नेट नहीं है.
Conversation है.
बट अच्छी बात कर रहे हैं.
Quick photograph.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Solo picture.
Sanjeev would like to आपका सिग्नेचर जिस तरह Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Which office are you here?
Money.
to see. He said it's very well.
That's a joke.
Okay.
I have a question. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में वुमेन सेक्टर सिक्योरिटी को लेकर क्या लगता है? आपकी डिमांड है अभी सिचुएशन? फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आपकी डिमांड है अभी सिचुएशन वुमेन सेक्टर सिक्योरिटी को लेकर?
Safe and secure. The film industry is very safe.
Is it?
Yeah, favorite. I think it's fantastic. मैंने बोला ना मैं तो चाहूँगा मेरी बेटी एक्ट्रेस बने. So obviously it must be safe and secure.
आप कुछ इसमें चेंज करना चाहते हैं? आपको लगता है कि कुछ चेंज होना चाहिए इसमें? कुछ उसको अच्छा बेटरमेंट करने के लिए इसमें?
No, I just think as time progresses, tastes change. We'll have lot more films ऐसी जो औरतों पे आधारित होगी. बहुत interesting stories हैं जो बनती हैं और हम कह सकते हैं. और I think we can go beyond just having to tell the sometimes ऐसा बोलते हैं कि girl is just a pretty face in a film. I think we are much better than that.
I'm sorry, thank you. We have to go.
Thanks, Alex.
Thank you.